Hi guys, my colleague and I have been working on a strange YouTube channel for about a month now, a project related to the animal world, a channel called Clash of Microworlds. I've talked a lot about the animal world here before. If you remember, I even showed you a high-income figure that was exactly in this same animal world niche. But today, my dear friends, I want to show you something even stranger.
Imagine two ant queens, one confined space. Can rivals ever coexist? We built an epic experiment. Watch as red and black empires rise, clash, and fight for absolute power. Unseen battles, shocking strategies, brutal survival. Prepare to enter a miniature world of war. Who will reign supreme? The ultimate ant showdown begins now.
The interesting thing is that all of these videos were created by us and are entirely AI generated. In fact, there is no real footage or imagery in this work. You are watching the first generation of documentaries where both the script has been simulated by AI and the visuals have been prepared using AI tools. Of course, in this initial version, which was strictly for testing and market evaluation, you might notice the artificial nature of some visuals. If you are a professional in this field, you will likely recognize that this is an AI-generated output. But in the upcoming episodes of this documentary, with the help of new tools like Nano Banana, the simulations are done so accurately that distinguishing them becomes impossible, even for specialists. The world has truly become a strange place. But what is the core idea behind this documentary? As you saw in the intro, we simulated an experiment. The goal was to find out what happens if we place two queen ants together in a small laboratory setting. The idea for this video was actually modeled after the work of someone else who conducted this same experiment in the real world. When I talk about copying, I've emphasized many times that I don't mean we should exactly copy-paste what others are doing, because by doing that, no real value is actually being created. It might be better to say I mean modeling after an idea, or copying a subject. Keep in mind that everyone is using this subject. All the videos I'm showing you belong to different channels, but almost all of them follow a single scenario. What happens if we put two queen ants in a shared space? It's a really fascinating subject. Guys, even if you perform this experiment 100 times in real life, only a few specific things will happen. In the first stage, both queens quickly dig into the ground, then cover themselves with soil so they can begin laying their eggs. The queens can go without food for up to 6 weeks until the larvae turn into worker ants. When the first batch of workers enters the world, they might be able to get along with the rival at first, but very soon the aggression and conflict begin. In the end, one colony eventually defeats the other. Two queens cannot coexist in one territory. It's always like this because space is limited. Now, they either eliminate the rival queen, or they take her captive and bring her to their own colony to feed on her, or the queen is forced to flee. Right? There is another scenario as well. In complex colonies, the queen hides in a place where the rival cannot reach her at all. It's impossible otherwise. At least until today, researchers have observed such behavior from this strange creature. Even if you haven't seen similar documentaries and have no data on this story, by consulting AI and chatbots like Gemini, you can find out what happens. If you ask, what happens if I put two queen ants in a small space, the AI will tell you exactly these results. Now, which colony usually wins? Clearly, the one with better nutrition. If you give ants grains like barley or wheat, because they are slow to digest, they produce little energy. But honey is an energy bomb in the short term. And if you give them protein, for example, providing them with a fly, well, that creates a strong ant. You can get all this information through AI or by watching others' videos and real documentaries. Ultimately, once this data is collected, we can write our own scenario. The result is the very video you just saw. A story that can be narrated with this level of precision and detail. In reality, if you wanted to capture such footage of ants, you would need very expensive equipment. But today, AI does this job simply. Creating this content is truly time-consuming and takes a lot of effort, but the effort and time spent are definitely not comparable to executing a real-life version, because in a real-world setting, a creator might spend 3 months recording such a world. These videos get millions of views, but there is also a lot of hard work behind them.